Okay, we've let our neck piece dry in here. So what we want to do now is we want to mark our center so we don't lose our center spot before we round it down. We've marked our center here. Now we're going to take a punch so we don't lose our center once we start sanding. So we got that, and I'm going to use a 2-inch ring here because that's the size you're going to need to fit it into your neck, or your neck into the body. Now we got our center, so we're going to take all this out in here, around to this, to round this down. Then that will fit in. That's the center part is where we're going to drill the hole to put our stick into. So enjoy my videos. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. And if you have any questions or comments, put them in my comment section, and I'll answer you. Thanks for watching.